BJ, I'm really happy to be with you. I want to thank you for inviting me to share your DNA results, to see what your DNA heritage is from the results you got from family tree DNA.
Thank you very much, Professor Kitabayashi, as my daddy.
Yeah. BJ is my son, by the way.
Yes, I accept your everything. Thank you very much, and I'm so exciting and also so glad to showing my result and to knowing my result or to knowing who I am, especially who is the Magar.
Okay.
Okay, let's enter in my account.
Password.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
This is taking... Oh, no, it's there fast today.
Yeah,
my machine is normally slow. This is pretty good.
yeah. Today is working. I think everything will gone very clearly or very well. Thank you very much. And here is my DNA name, and it's called D-M174. This is my male line. And another is my mother's DNA, F1C1A2. It's my mother's DNA.
Mitochondrial DNA.
Mitochondrial DNA line. Okay, I'm very exciting.
Okay. Now, for people who don't know what this is, and maybe some of your listeners might not know, the Y chromosome is what makes a man a man. A woman has two X chromosomes.
Yeah.
A man has one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. And the Y chromosome comes from his father with no change.
Yeah, okay.
The mitochondrial DNA, that's DNA that's floating outside of the nucleus of the cell. Every cell has it, and because it's not part of the nucleus, this can only be inherited from your mother. So every man and woman has it, but it comes from the mother. The mother's 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 mother.
Okay, thank you very much for kind information. Okay, might be you are also very exciting.
Terribly excited.
Okay, so let's see the result.
Okay, hurry up.
And let's see who I am.
Okay, well, how about my origins?
Okay, let's go from my origins.
Okay, I need to say something. My origins, that's, looking at that, this is autosomal DNA. And autosomal DNA is not male, it's not female, but it's all of the 23 chromosomes, points that are taken from all three. So my family tree DNA, I've done this test before myself, and autosomal DNA shows relationships with other people. Like, is someone your brother, someone your mother or father, someone is a cousin. So let's look at the autosomal DNA.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm Asian, perfectly.
East Asian, yeah.
More than 50%. That means 78% is my East Asian, and here's 20% is my South Asian. Wow. And trace results. I don't know where I am.
Okay.
Can we see trace results?
Let's see. Let's look at trace results.
Wow. Okay.
Oceania
is 2%. Wow.
Yeah, Oceania. That would be Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, Fiji, Hawaii, New Zealand, Tonga, Samoa. Okay.
We will see that in our map. Here is a map.
Okay, let's
Look at the map. It's might be clearer than now. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see from the East Asia.
Okay. So
Here is a 52% is Northeast Asia. Northeast Asia means
but
this
look
area.
at that. The darker color, that means more concentration. So the main concentration of Northeast Asia is Eastern Mongolia,
Yes.
Northern China, Korea, and Japan.
And Japan. Wow. It's mean I'm now in Japan.
Yes.
That means I'm come back in Japan, or somebody already came in Japan.
Yes. No, actually, BJ, I read an article on DNA testing results recently, and it seems like the family of the Emperor of Japan is also the D haplogroup. Not DM174, but in that bigger D haplogroup. He's part of that.
Wow, that's very very lovely news.
Okay.
Okay, and here is 20% is Southeast Asia.
Okay, Southeast Asia is
the
dark spot.
Yeah, center part is Laos, Thailand, Myanmar.
Okay.
And some Malaysia, Philippines, Taiwan.
Okay.
Wow.
6%.
6% is Siberian. Wow. I never gone in Siberia.
Yeah. Yeah, but Siberian people are not European. They're Asian or like American Indian.
No, I thought like all Russian I have a Russian friends, so I thought the all Russian like a white hair or very white skin.
No. Well, you have white skin. You yourself have white skin, but you have black hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have a very Japanese face.
Okay, thank you very much. And I mentioned that Japanese police never checked me.
Yeah, okay. That's right.
Yeah, because they use checking their documents or something on foreigners, but
they never recognize you as a foreigner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's see the Central South Asia.
Okay.
Okay, it's 20% from South India and Sri Lanka.
Yeah. Okay, this is the Dravidian language part of India. This is the original population of the Indian subcontinent before the Aryans came to India.
But one thing, they had lots of. I met lots of Sri Lankan or South Indian peoples.
Yes.
They have a very dark black skins.
Yes.
But why I have kinds of very white?
Well, you're only 20%.
Okay.
Okay. I have a niece who is 80% white, 20% black, and I won't talk about that anyway.
Okay. But you are totally white.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
I was disappointed. I tested and I thought I had a great-great-grandmother who was black, but it turned out she was Finnish. Finland. Yeah.
Okay. It's happened in...
it happened. It was not Africa.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see the Oceania. Okay. Where is the Oceania?
Well, that's right where I said Papua New Guinea, New Zealand,
yes,
Hawaii, it's less than 2%, so there's no color. And I don't think you find any color for South America either.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing.
Oh,
So
nothing. Okay.
yeah, can we go back?
Go back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, can we go
More back.
Go back, yes.
Once again.
Okay, for the autosomal DNA, can we do ancient origins?
Ancient.
Yeah, right there.
Okay. Oh. What is meaning? This
Ancient European.
15% metal.
No.
age.
This is not good. Let's skip this because this has nothing to do with you.
Okay.
But and ancestral origins, that should work for you.
Ancestral origins.
Yeah.
This one.
That's why. No, that's why. Is there anything? Yeah, let's go down. Maybe we should look at your Y DNA and ancestral origins.
Okay, let's see my ancestors. Is anybody there? No match.
No match.
match found.
Okay. Yeah, let's go back then. They have nobody in their database that matches you.
Might be this company has not that kind of database.
Yeah, they don't have Magars, I don't think.
Yeah.
How about haplogroup? That's Y DNA chromosomes. What about haplogroup origins?
Haplogroup origins.
Yeah.
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no matches.
Yeah, but it does give a little bit of information.
Yeah.
Your haplogroup is
DM174, and it's a 50,000 years old age.
Okay, and
region.
Okay, this is concentration. It's mainly in it's found in Japan, Tibet, and low frequencies in Mongolia and Central Asia. Okay.
It's not showing in the map.
Okay.